Question. A galvanometer coil has a resistance of 12 ohms and meter show full scale deflection for a current of 3 milliamperes. How will you convert the meter into a voltmeter of range 0 to 18 volts? Answer. RG galvanometer resistance given 12 ohms. IG galvanometer current. IG is equal to 3 milliamperes. Amperes, milliamperes. Milli is converted to 3 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. Volt V is equal to 18 volts. Formula capital R. Resistance R is equal to V by IG minus RG. V is equal to 18 by 3 into 10 power minus 3 minus 12. This calculation is 6000 minus 12. R is equal to 5988 ohms.